then have some white like that. Is the the duck is inside, but baby one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It's like a native Filipino thing that they don't like it. But it's really tasty. Yeah. It's really tasty. I cannot open
Ay, kakain na sila.
It's not mine. Oh, I see. Because I want to show to you. This is an embryo.
No, come here, come here.
Embryo. First of all, you need to smell it. Rather than this one is like I think a weeks old unhatched duck. Yeah, then after that, the duck is inside, and there's some yellowish and white one here. Like then there's some water inside as well. Yeah. It's nice for all.
If you explain it,
Yeah.
It tastes better than it looks.
When it